Don't just clean the mess, you want a 5S. Lean 5S stands for sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. 5S is the most universal tool in the Lean toolbox. The 5S methodology can be applied in every factory across the globe, and it's guaranteed to make them all more productive. Whether you work in a job shop or a high-volume factory, and regardless of the products that you manufacture, 5S does work. Before 5S is implemented, a common phrase spoken in a plant is, "Clean up, we have a tour." Then, everyone scurries about cleaning up the factory for some VIP tour. Of course, after the tour, poor housekeeping practices, they return. Then another tour is scheduled, and it all cycles back again. Instead of pursuing this cycle of madness, just implement a 5S approach. You see, after implementing 5S, your plant will always be tour ready. And it will operate more efficiently too. The labor time wasted looking for things, it gets eliminated from your cost structure. You keep only what you need, where you need it, and in the quantities that are required for production. 5S provides a sustainable method for shop floor organization and housekeeping. With 5S, everything, and I do mean everything in your factory, is going to have a specific and visual place for storage. Tools, parts, supplies, and materials, they're all stored in shadow locations. When something is missing, then the shadow location, it screams back at you and it says, "Replace me!" Additionally, there's just absolutely no place for dirt and clutter. In fact, dirt and clutter seem so out of place in a lean factory that these issues present themselves as a violation of your senses. And because of the visual nature of a 5S shop, everyone simply feels compelled to comply. Shift-to-shift handoffs, they become easy because unacceptable conditions are visual and they're rare. To implement 5S in your factory, start small. Choose a place that's visible when you first walk into your plant. Select a cross-functional Kaizen team of about 10 to 12 people. Do a little bit of 5S training and then methodically progress through the 5S steps. Remember, this just isn't another housekeeping event. This is a 5S journey. 5S is a team-based activity because you need the horsepower of numbers. The more people you have, the more work that can get done. The team is cross-functional because you want outside eyes to challenge the norms that exist. And most importantly, you want team-based decisions. Often during normal housekeeping exercises, people simply don't know where to put things, so they hide stuff in cabinets and dark corners. However, with 5S, this team-based focused event provides the time and the resources for decision-making to occur. 5S is not about hiding stuff. It's about discovering issues, making decisions, and providing long-term solutions for operational organization. There's no doubt that 5S will make your plant more cost-effective, efficient, and enjoyable. And there's no other method of housekeeping that's as sustainable as 5S. Don't just clean the mess, you want a 5S. My name is Joe Joyce and I'm with Tools for the Trenches. If you work in manufacturing, then visit us, follow us, and subscribe to thrive.